Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have domain access. Now act. Start by confirming your registrar or DNS host login and permissions because you will change records. Add a dedicated subdomain for messenger traffic to isolate settings and simplify TLS. Create placeholders for the required record types, or AA for endpoints, CNAME for service aliases, TXT for verification. Once done, note TTL values to speed propagation control and keep provider support details handy in case you need to revert. Now you add the actual records. For each target, create or AA records pointing to the messenger server IPs. Set TTL to 300 for rapid testing, then raise later. If the service asks for a CNAME, map the subdomain to the provider hostname. This preserves deliverability and simplifies certificate handling. Publish the TXT token the messenger gave you for domain verification. Then use the provider's diagnostic tools or DIG to confirm the record appears globally. Because finish by validating end-to-end. Ensure TLS certificates cover the subdomain, add SRV records if messenger uses service discovery, and confirm MX or fallback records as required. Test message delivery from multiple networks and monitor DNS propagation. Make incremental TTL adjustments for stability. If things go wrong, use DIG to inspect records, flush local DNS cache, and recheck TXT tokens and hostnames, because most failures are typos, caching, or provider rate limits. Revert to backups or contact host support if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.